Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is a real game changer for all of you aspiring YouTubers out there. I'm going to take you behind the scenes and reveal how I created a faceless YouTube channel that raked in $350,000. And yes, I've got proof for you. We're going to dive into the unique methods that set me apart from what you've seen elsewhere. If you've tried the same old strategies that don't deliver, you're in for a treat. So let's not waste any more time and jump right in. I'll be pulling back the curtain on my earnings, showing you the exact figures from my faceless YouTube channel, LearnWire. With just 12,500 subscribers, I've managed to outperform channels with hundreds of thousands of followers. It's not about the size of the audience, but the value of the content. But there's more. While YouTube monetization profits are great, I'll show you how the bulk of my income comes from savvy affiliate marketing techniques. This is real money earned from real strategies, not the fluff you've been fed. And if you think that using AI is your golden ticket to YouTube success, let me stop you right there. I'll expose why that's not the case and give you a sustainable, authentic way to build your channel and your business. Stay tuned, subscribe, and get ready to be part of a journey that could very well redefine your path to success on YouTube. Let's get started. Let me quickly show you the Six Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. So first, let me show you the proof of my earnings on my Faceless YouTube channel. And we'll come right over here, and I'm logged into one of my YouTube channels called LearnWire. We're going to go over to analytics real quick. And then what we're going to do is go over here to the estimated revenue right over here. And then I'm going to go over here and go to lifetime, and you're going to see $23,000 and 211. So over $23,000 in monetization profits from just the Faceless YouTube channel alone. And this is pretty dang cool because when you look at this, there's only 12,500 subscribers. That is a tiny channel compared to all these other channels that people are talking about. Hundreds of thousands of subscribers, millions of subscribers, millions upon millions of views. I have achieved over 1 million views, which is actually pretty cool for a small channel like this. This is very niche targeted. It's in the software space and it pays really well, but this is only $23,000 of that $350,000, right? So if you actually took a calculator out, obviously this is what I teach too in the Six Figure Freedom Club. If you're interested in that, just click a link below. But if we took 123, that's $350,000, and we minus 23,123. So basically $23,000. You're still left with, where'd the other $327,000 come from? It comes from affiliate marketing and so forth. And so there's the 23,000 just from YouTube paying me to make these videos. And this is a faceless YouTube channel. I do not show my face. I just record my screen and teach people things. Super cool. Let's go over here and we'll go into my accounting software. I'm going to go with profit and loss right over here. We're going to go right over here and I'm going to go in and enter a custom date in right over here. Now, if I take this and we go back to 2019 when I started working full-time online, it was really 2020, but just to cover my bases, I'm going to go right there and then I'm going to come over here to basically yesterday. And then we're going to see what this pulls up and you're going to see right over here, look, $344,000 right here. It rounds up $350,000 right there in profits right over here in my P&L. And this is my accounting. Who shows you their accounting account right there like that? Now let me briefly show you what every other YouTuber is teaching you to do, which doesn't work, okay? So we're gonna come back over here. I'm gonna show you what they teach you to do. They teach you to come over here and say, ChatGPT, write me a YouTube script on, let's just say, how to lose weight fast. And they tell you to enter, and they tell you that ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. It's going to go out there. It's going to write this right in front of us. It's going to tell us, hey, everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, blah, 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 blah. And this is just going to make you tens of thousands of dollars, right? I'm going to go ahead and push stop right there. And then another thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to say, give me only the script. And then it's still going to give us all these section headers, outlines. You've got to keep telling it, just give us the narration, so you're going to actually have issues with finding the exact way that it's going to pump out just what you want to say. But then once you have your script, so let's say you have a script right over here and you copy this, and then what everybody tells you to do is to go to 11 Labs, right? Go into 11 Labs and go over here, create a voiceover, paste your voiceover in right here and choose a voice, right? We're going to go choose a voice over here. Let's go with Adam. And then we're going to go and generate this, and it's going to go and create an AI voiceover for us. So you're already doing all these steps, right? We've already had to go and fool around with ChatGPT and waste a bunch of time. And then the script, remember, it's not authentic or genuine. It's just AI writing the script for you. So it's not going to resonate that well with audiences. Believe me, I've tried these channels and they just don't work. There's no watch retention. People don't watch these channels because they're boring, right? Because then it's going to take us to the third part, right? If you follow everybody else's teachings, you've got your script generated by AI, you've got your AI voice generated text to speech right here, and then you go over to a place like InVideo, right? Everyone teaches you to go over to InVideo, and this is going to be the solution that everybody's looking for. And you're going to go over here and you're going to paste in your text, and then you're going to basically create a video. This InVideo will actually have some pretty good AI voiceovers for you. But at the end of the day, you're left with a video that just is not going to hold retention most of the time, okay? As you can tell, I'm not an affiliate with InVideo. I actually have an affiliate link. I'm not going to drop that below. I'm just going to tell you that I'm trying to not waste your time. I wouldn't go in and waste your time with doing this. It's going to cost you money. This new AI from InVideo is going to cost you $50 a month, and then you're going to have to spend like $20 to $30 a month on 11 Labs. You're going to have a $20 ChatGPT plus subscription. So you're going to be close to $100 in just to create AI videos, which if that's something that you really think is going to move the needle for you, go for it. Go and try to build these channels, build these YouTube videos. Now let me show you what I do, a real sustainable way to build a real business on YouTube by helping others. I teach you a different way than everybody else is teaching. I'll show you how to create simple faceless YouTube channels, and it will take far less time than even using AI and stock footage everyone else is teaching. Let me show you real quick, okay? So what I would do is I would go and do this a little bit different. Okay, so I'd go into ChatGPT and still use it to its advantages. Don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is great. I use it daily in my business. I just don't really use it to write full-blown YouTube scripts, okay? So what I would do is I would say, give me 20 awesome, highly profitable YouTube niches that would be great for tutorial-based channels where you can share your screen and make simple tutorials for your audience. I just created that prompt just now, and let's go and see what ChatGPT says. It's saying creating tutorial-based channels can both be rewarding and profitable. I 100% agree, and that's how I've made $350,000. Let's go out and do it. So here we go. It's going to give us our niches. We've got coding and development. If you know anything about coding, you're already like a leg up on everybody, because a skill that 99% of the population in the world doesn't know, which is coding. Python, if you made a Python channel and taught people how to make simple bots and Python scripts and so forth, your channel would take off like crazy. So you're already a leg up if you have a special skill. Like if you're really good at Microsoft Excel and you know how to build really cool dashboards in Excel, Microsoft Excel, you know how to do pivot tables and VLOOKUPs and how to manipulate data in there and teach people how to run analytic reports and stuff, you also have a leg up on people. But even at graphic design right over here, if you're good at Photoshop, if you're good at Canva, if you're good at different Adobe InDesign, all these different softwares, you can create an entire channel and build 100,000 subscribers just based on one software. And this is exactly what I teach. It's giving us some really good ones. We've got people inside of the 6-Figure Freedom Club. All you have to do is just click the first link below and go check it out. But we have members inside the community that are building video editing channels, right? That's not a niche that we have to, it's not a secret niche or anything, right? But what the key is sub-niching down, finding a product inside of one of these major parent categories, and then going to town on it and creating helpful content for people. So here's a really good one right here as well. Financial literacy, investing. If you know anything about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or real estate or stock market or anything, you can go in here and create content around that. You don't have to be on screen. Photography, language learning, digital marketing, like right over here. Just crazy the amount of things that you can do over here. Even cooking and baking, you can find a way to teach people without actually having to be on screen. All these different things you don't have to be on screen to do. But what I like to do, even online course creation, how to create courses and so forth. So let's do that one. I've never talked about this one before. So let's just say we're going to build a YouTube channel around number 18. So I can say, give me 20 catchy clickbait YouTube titles that capture my audience attention and makes them want to watch and learn. And I'm going to say right here, each title needs to have course creation or selling courses online. And then I'm going to say, make each title, this is a secret right here, you make each title 60 characters or less. Make sure to capitalize 1 to 2 words per title. I'm making this up off the cuff. I'm typing it right in front of you, and it's going to come up with some really good ideas for us. The last thing I'm going to say is no quotation marks. I always put that in there because for some reason, 90% of the time, ChatGPT likes to put everything in quotes, and then you end up having to say, write it again with no quotes. So let's go and see what this can do for us right over here. And so we have skyrocket your sales with course creation secrets, master the art of selling courses online effortlessly, unleash. These are great titles. Selling courses online, the ultimate guide, course creation hacks, fast track to earnings, mastermind course sales. If you're trying to teach someone how to course creation blueprint, build, launch, earn, if you created these 20 videos, they're all going to be content and titles that YouTube's going to push out in the YouTube recommended if you are creating good content, right? People that are interested in selling courses online and interested in what you have to say, then they're going to want to click on this stuff. YouTube is going to try to find your audience for you, and you don't even have to have search-based terms. The old way of teaching how to do YouTube would be that you have to go based off of search because YouTube is the second largest search engine on earth. But those days are over because YouTube is so sophisticated in their algorithm that they can take your title and know that every single video that you come out with is about selling courses online and creating online courses. They're going to find the right audience for you as long as you are creating good thumbnails. We already have the titles done. We already know that they're good titles and they are going after your niche market, which is people that want to create and sell online courses. Every single title is laser focused. You're going to build a YouTube channel and you're going to build authority around this subject because every single title is laser focused. And then YouTube's going to go out there and find your audience for you. It is crazy. And then what are you going to do with this, right? So we've got our title, we've got our what I call my content plan. And I teach all of this, how to do all of this inside of my school community. You can go and click on Classroom. You're going to come over here to the YT Affiliate Blueprint, and I'm going to show you, right, how to pick a niche and how to even more in depth than what I just went over in this video for you. And then I'm going to teach you how to find affiliate products and so forth. But here's your content blueprint plan where we're going to find your first 60 videos for you right now. Super cool stuff, okay? So we're going to take these titles, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over there and we're going to get a screen recording software. There are a ton of them and a ton of free ones, but what I'm going to, and I don't even have an affiliate link, but I'm going to tell you if you have $20, $15 to get started, just go over to Descript, go over here to pricing plans right over here. And if you can get started for $0, but it's going to be $12 for your starter plan, 10 transcription hours. You're going to be able to push record your screen. You can be on camera or not. And then you're going to be able to automatically get rid of filler words and clean up your speaking and things like that. You're also going to be able to automatically get rid of silences in your video, which are going to allow you to be able to push a couple buttons and then push publish. And literally, when you get good at this, in less than 30 minutes, you're going to have a video video that is way more helpful than going and watching crappy old stock footage, AI footage with AI generated, that your watch time is going to be less than 60 seconds. You're not going to get watch time on these videos. It's going to be very hard to grow an audience on here that wants to watch all your content. But when you actually share and do what I did on this channel right over here, we can go over to content and you start sharing. I'm not on screen on any of these videos, and look at how many likes I get. Look how many comments I get. Look how many views I get on these videos. Right over here, 3,000 views for a video where I just record my screen, show a piece of software, and I'm not on camera. You can do this exact same thing, and I do it in multiple YouTube channels, and I make 6 figures a year doing this. You can do it too. All that I go over and teach you exactly how to do this inside my community, 6 Figure Freedom Club. And then you're going to go and record these, and then boom, you're going to publish them, and you're going to publish one video Monday through Friday. You're going to be able to go out there and actually get results in this business. All right. So make sure you just follow these steps. Don't fall for the trap of creating these simple videos using all these AI tools, and then 2 months go by and you got 100 views total and you've posted 45 videos and you're wondering, what the hell, why isn't this working? It's because the videos suck. You need to create real content, right? And you can do that by just doing what I'm doing. Imagine this entire video, I'm off the screen and I'm teaching you all these steps right here. I don't have to be on screen on this particular channel. It's the only channel of all my channels that I'm choosing to be on screen now. And I'm not even really, I'm just in the lower left or right-hand corner, right? It's not really a big deal, but you can do exactly what I'm doing right now. You don't have to be on screen, and this is the teaching style. And you teach people real content on what to do. So hopefully this brought value to you. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to continue to create real, honest content like this, so you can go out there and start crushing it on YouTube and affiliate marketing. I'll see you next time.